guys, so this is what the old magmachief or Magmayhem looked like in Prodigy. And somehow this guy is morphed into it. I think this guy is a hacker. I'm guessing that this may be what it looks like now. Let me see. Okay, so I'm not sure how this guy got it, but I think this guy is hacking the game. Not sure. Wait. So I watched the CRF video. This is what it said it was supposed to look like, but if we go over here, we can see that this guy has normal magmachief, and we have Magmayhem. So I'm not 100% sure what this guy is using, or like what is this thing, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna end the video. This is very weird. I will check one more time to see like if it. So yeah, if we put on Magmayhem, ours shows up like this. His shows up like this. I'm not sure how you get this morph. Maybe he's hacking, maybe he's not, maybe it's morph, maybe it's not. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's basically gonna end the video. I'll try and find some more stuff and update you guys, but for now, I think this guy is a hacker, and bye.